After a 2-year hiatus, I'm back. And let's just say, the fireworks didn't disappoint this year. Stay tuned. Up first are the 2-inch shells, and lift issues aside, I wonder why I waste my time sometimes. Enjoy the bagpipes. Up next are the 3-inch shells, and let's just say, they were worth the effort. Pay particular attention to the echo, because it's more than impressive.
Oh, wait, where is she? Claire? Ella? Claire? Ella?
Oh, I see.
It's like you miss out on your masters. It's like our plan B, you know. Yeah, that was great. Oh, true. That's hilarious. Crap. He probably had Claire? Well, I checked your parents out at Wegmans today. He said like 3 or 4? Maybe. And I was like, I saw them in the kid and I was like, I'm definitely what?
Next is footage of the same shells with a different camera. The audio quality is better here. However, they are also in portrait because I failed to give explicit instructions to those filming, but I'm grateful nonetheless. I excluded the footage of the poorly performing shells and also of any unnecessary time in between. In real life, That echo was insane. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I thank you for sticking around till the end, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks.